Hello friends, my name is Pardeep. Today let's start a new topic: how to control the stepper motor, auto as well as manual condition. Okay, first we need to concentrate on the programming. After that, come on the hardware. Okay, step to step. Okay, and I'm give to you this program in description, and you easy to download and run directly in LabVIEW. And first you need to now on here understanding how we make and how it's control auto and manual condition. Okay, and this program is in description, you can easily download on here. Okay, now come on the programming from starting. Let's start. And you see have a Arduino and a stepper. Right click on here, come on the Arduino and pin like this. Okay, and you see drag int like this, and this is the Arduino as like here, and you need to one is a close. Okay, that's drag on like as a close. Okay, now and other component is a servo. It's a servo. Then click on the sensor and come on the stepper motor. Sorry, replace to servo stepper, and need to stepper configure, drag here like this. Okay, and other we need to step right because I'm need to write lots of data for controlling the motor. That's why I need to step right, and other last is stepper control. To drag on the stepper control on here, and this is stepper control like this. Okay, now it's a fully component, drag here icons. Okay, done. Now let's start with the what's the working on the step to step. And you see about the Arduino, and right click on the first visa resources and come on the control for the it's control the com which com your Arduino. Okay, now second step. Second is right click on here, and sorry, already declare the stepper configure. Sorry. Okay, stepper configure. Okay, if you know about the this icon detail, and you need to click on the question mark and drag your mouse on this icon, and you see how all labels declare. First the stepper, and it means the it's declare the stepper pins. Okay, and second is the Arduino resources, third the stepper pin, and last the error. Okay, and last the control method. Okay, now cross here, and we need to first, and stepper has to right click on here and create a control like this. Okay, it's means stepper pins, and we need to declare the stepper how much a stepper pin you declare, because in the stepper motor hardware, and we can say controller have a 4 pins. Okay, so that's why we need to enter the 4. Okay, and other is one is like there is stepper pins. We need to declare the stepper pins, which pins you connect to the Arduino, and you see right click here and create the control directly, and you see we enter the pins 2 3 4 5 because I already connect in the hardware 2 3 4 5 pins. Okay, that's why I written 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you connect to the other pins like 5 6 7 8, and you need to replace on there. Okay, and the pin is total is 4, that's why I'm written on here the 4 pins. Okay, and this program and this detail is I think. Okay, very well. Okay, now we need to create a one loop. It's a while loop because the continuity running, that's why it's drag directly on the while loop like this. Okay, we need to step or we can say shift register here, because directly send the value input to the output. That's why we need to step. Okay, and need to shift register on here. Okay, now we can say next step. Okay, the next step is create the okay, sorry, right click on here, create a wedge label and create a case structure. Okay, right click here, come the structure and create a case structure like this. You say like this. Okay, so have a one, you see it's a control, so that's why I'm connect to the auto switch. You see it's a auto switch and connect to on the case structure. Okay, if the auto switch is on, then enter on this condition. Okay, true condition, and if it's off and is given the 0 value, and they convert on the false. Okay, on this condition. Okay, first we need to understand about the true condition. Okay, it's a true. Okay, let's see when I click on there. Okay, when I click on press the auto switch, it's been on and given the value 1, and they enter on this area. Okay, now we should concentrate on here to how we can create a program of the stepper motor. Okay, let's see first. It's a stepper pin. Okay, I already declare here, and you see it's here step up in. Okay, okay, uh, come here. Okay, you need to come here, step up in. Now if you continue the case structure complete, then you need to one loop. It's a while loop because it's a auto operation. That's why we need to continue the operation. That's why we need to create another loop. It's a while loop. Okay, you need while loop. Okay, after that create the you see, and right click on here and label. Okay, it's a stepper, right? Then we need to stepper write the program on here, and how much steps the motor move, and what's the acceleration, and we can say about the speed of the motor. Okay, we need to declare on here. So click on the question mark and drag the mouse on step right, and they already declare here stepper Arduino resource and hash stepper to move how much steps you need to move on the stepper motor, and set the speed also. Okay, how upper side the stepper has, and you see I already declared the stepper pins. Okay, and how you can drag here, come on the stepper pins, right click on here, create, and come on the local variable like this. You see it's the same condition. Okay, as like you drag on here. Now I delete on the this, control B. Okay, okay, now unconnect on here. Okay, stepper means, because I already declare on here stepper is the 4, that's why I'm like create a local variable. Okay, yeah, if you don't know about the about local variable, you can also create a same as like control. Okay, another one. Okay, and then come on the second is the hash step of the move. It's mean how much steps motor move in the 1 second, the 50 steps the motor move. So that's why I'm write on 50, and you can change also as like a 10, and it's as of 1 second it's move only 100 steps. Okay, so that's why you can change as per your requirement. Okay, now at the last one is the set speed as per second. Okay, how in per second you can change the value, and I already declared in the 40. It's been the one when I it's a one okay, sorry, already declared the step in steps per second in a 1 second. Okay, we can say 1 second, and it's come on the 100 acceleration. Okay, 400 speed move the motor, stepper motor. Okay, you can change on but it's the limit is like 0 to 400 or a 450 only. Okay, so that's why you need 40, 30, 300, oh sorry, 300, 200, 100 I like this. Okay, now directly come on the directly connect to the output. Okay, sorry, stepper close, directly come on the stepper close, and after that connect to the Arduino close. Okay, now this program is done. Okay, because when I press the auto switch, it's given the one value and come on the true, and after that it's come on the while loop, and after that while it's continuity operation on here, and it's continuity move motor, right? Because I already have the steps move, how much steps to move, 50 steps in 400 speeds, 400 speed. Okay, that's why its motor is continuity rotate on one direction. Okay, now we need to manual switch. Okay, now come on the manual, if switch is off, then it's giving the false value like this in this area. Okay, false value. Okay, now in this false value I've declared the manual. You see it's a manual switch. Okay, here. Okay, in the case structure, come on the structure and create a event structure like this. You see like this, it's event structure. Okay, so click on here and delete it. Okay, after creating, and you need to you already made a program and directly copy it, control C. Okay, because it's the same program, we need to only change their auto and manual condition, that's why, and come on the false and directly paste here because it's all same. Okay, but only change is that it's already declare the step in like this, and step it's like this, it's a copy or okay, that's why it's only copy step ins and step move. Okay, so you enter the same data for as like 4, and 500 because in a true condition I already declare on here, and that's why I'm copy to this and paste on false condition. That's why it's temporary create here. Okay, now it's a fully done, no need to change anything, but the one thing is that you already drag a move. Okay, you have a move switch and you need to declare on this in this loop. Okay, and you see it's a visible label and even structure. Okay, now you need to this switch, if you press this switch and this time that time this condition is run and motor is rotate on one time. Okay, so even structure is only operate when switch is pressed, when switch is closed. Okay, when switch on, when switch off, that time is servo motor is or anything is work. Okay, that's why I'm create a event structure for a manually operation. When I press the switch, motor move. When I press or leave the switch, then motor is move. Okay, so that's why. And you can change their push button, but I am using as like a switch only. Okay, toggle switch. Okay, that's why we need to press 2 times. Okay, now you can drag here any switch, like I'm giving the example. I'm dragging the push button like this because okay, you drag any switch as like manual. Okay, after drag here on right click on the loop and create on the first, you need to create on the edit event. Okay, first not use add event. Okay, first you need to edit event like this. Click on here and you see here are the all switches, and all switches here indicator all are appear on here. But you see, and this is a boolean I already now create, that's why it's come on the downside. Okay, but it's a manual. You see this switch is the manual, and I think its name is I forgot. That's why we need to, I forgot the name of this switch. So that's why right click on here, visible sorry, label, come on the property and see their name, and its name is stepper motor control. Okay, you see the name is stepper motor control. Okay, stepper motor control, and click on the okay. Now right click on here, come on the edit, and you see it's already declared stepper motor control. Okay, you already you visible if you create on any switch and you see, and there have visible like stepper motor control and boolean. So if you create them as like this with stepper motor control or any switch like boolean, and directly click on that switch and come on the okay, and you see it's appear on the stepper motor control like this. Okay, now the manual and auto is operated done, but we need to refresh also, because if the program is in this condition, and then we need to as press any switch for break the condition, because you see, if it's a false, then a program is running here and given the data to one position to another position. Okay, then why we need to break this condition at a one time for change the condition auto or a manual. Okay, that's why I'm creating a right click on here and add event case like this. Now need to add. Okay, we create a one switch as like a refresh is the title, and you see have a one switch, and you see the name of the refresh, you see auto refresh. Okay, the name is auto refresh, and click on the value and come on okay, because I already declared, that's why it's already handled by case 2. That's why I'm not say to okay, and you need to okay. Okay, and now I'm press cancel. Okay, after that, okay, you see have a auto refresh on here, and you need to directly connect pins to direct on here, because it's because I'm using for refreshing as like the program is a manual condition, and that's time we need to come on the auto, and after come on the auto we need to change the refresh button. Okay, after that come on the auto condition. Okay, the program is fully complete and need a simple switch off condition. Okay, and I'm provided this program on the description, you can easily download and run on your program. Okay, now I think you completely understand about the condition. Okay, now we concentrate on the hardware and try to run on it. Okay, now I'm deleted this extra events. Okay, uh, like this, yeah. Okay, Okay, now come on the hardware, connect your Arduino to the laptop. Okay, connect your Arduino to the laptop. Like this, your Arduino connect to the laptop. Okay, after that connect uh, in the LabVIEW. After that connect to the COM, refresh, and COM is 3, that's why I'm connecting here. Now now you see it's a stepper motor. Okay, stepper motor have a 4 pins, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5, and because the 4 is the main, you see the 4 pins, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 5 pins. Okay, connect to here, and this is directly, and because this is the controller of the servo motor. It's when you purchase this motor, it's combination to this. Okay, so have a LED for the indication, and it's for the control, and you see have a supply pins, have a supply 5 to 12 volt, and connect to the positive wire to the positive, negative to the negative, and it's a jumper for on and off condition for supplying. And yeah, it's the main part of the is the how you see it's have a 7 pins, 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I used only 4 pins. Okay, you see it's connected to the 4 IN to IN 5 only. Okay, instead of this. Now we need to connect. You see I'm connected to the pin number 2 3 4 5 5 6. Okay, sorry, 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and you see on the hardware, sorry, in the programming, you see 2 3 4 5. Okay, it's a 2 3 4 5. Okay, 4 5 is connect to the 2 through 5, that's why I'm declared on the programming 2 3 4 5. Okay, and connect to the directly on IN1 IN2 IN3 IN4 IN5 like this. Okay, sequence wise. Now its a connection is a fully complete, and now you need to give the supply and ground to over 5 volt to this controller. I already declare about this. Okay, now run the program. Let's see what's happened, and come on here, and you need to run like this. Okay, and you see the LED is blinking, it means it's not fully connected. And okay, and first you need to upload the program of the Arduino, and because I think you already know about the how to interlink LabVIEW to Arduino. And after I will tell you, come on the C and program data, sorry, program files, and I have a same process, follow step to step, and come on the LabVIEW 2020 and user lib, sorry, vi lib, and have a one LabVIEW interface for Arduino. Come on here and click on firmware LabVIEW and have a LabVIEW. Okay, first you need to this program upload to Arduino. Okay, after that run the program on LabVIEW. Okay, otherwise you face an error. Okay, I already uploaded. Then you need to refresh to the like, come on the manual, and you see it's working. Okay, when you press to the manual, you see, okay, and it's move on the only, you see it's only the 500 steps move. Okay, you see when I collect the one time, it's 500 step move. When I change the value like 100 and like 100, now I'm click the manual, and you see it's more on the 100 only. Okay, you can vary as per your requirement. Then I'm say a 500 as like on here 500. Now you click on the manual, and you see it's a 500 move steps. Okay, and the speed is I already constant on here. You see in the programming for 400 it's the speed. Okay, because the maximum 400 or 450. Okay, as per motor rating. Now we need to come on the auto start, come on the auto switch, and come on the auto. After come on, you need to refresh. I already tell you about the refresh button. Okay, because in that time the program is false condition, and come to their message. Okay, because the program is on working like here in this area. Okay, that's why you need to one of the refresh, because after refresh the program is break, and after that sends the auto switch. Okay, that's why you need to refresh. Now click on the refresh, and you see, okay, it's I'm not controlled in the LabVIEW right now, and you see the motor is auto working, fully automatic move. without any switch. Okay, it's a auto condition. Okay, if you need to brake, okay, now click on the again auto and it's off condition, and come on the stop, and you see the motor is stop, and you now you change as per your requirement manually. You see it's manual operation. Okay, and I'm changed on here 500. It's a step to motor move in a one time. When I press one time, it's 500 step moves. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's fully working now of the program, and the stepper motor control auto and manual is fully completed. Okay, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe our channel, and thank you. Let's meet you on the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot, guys.